Juices to lose weight. Juicing is the process of blending foods in a wonderful way in a juicer or a juicing machine in order to extract the juices for consumption. For making orange juice, all you require is a juicer and we can make some fresh orange juice in it. Juicing helps us to lose weight in a very effective and nutritious way and allows us to lose those extra pounds from our body and at the same time get rid of toxins. Vegetables can be pureed in a food processor or a blender and mix some water to drink it. It is best to drink a glass of vegetable or fruit juice 20 minutes before each meal. This will ease your hunger pangs and also give you the necessary vitamins and minerals. Use dark green vegetables such as broccoli, celery, asparagus, cucumber, spinach, carrots, cabbage, etc. in order to increase your vitamins. These vegetables are good for weight loss and also they detoxify or cleanse your body. Cucumber, celery and asparagus are diuretics too, while garlic is good for controlling your blood pressure. Let us learn the different vegetable and fruit juices that we can make in order to lose weight. 1. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is highly beneficial for our body. This juice has high levels of magnesium, calcium and potassium. Carrots contain carotenes which will help you remain healthy as it gets converted into vitamin A and gets used by the body accordingly. This juice also contains a high level of antioxidant that is used to protect our body and also aids in preventing diseases like cancer and so on. You can spice up this juice by adding some salt, pepper, lemon juice and garnish with some lemon wedges. 2. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice aids in the development and creation of red blood cells. This juice is rich with iron, potassium, magnesium and vitamin C. It also aids people with memory loss or those who cannot concentrate. This juice is especially useful in lessening the damage done due to menopausal and menstrual problems for women. 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice contains lots of vitamin C. It prevents the different infections of the urinary tract which are faced by women all over the world. Cranberries can easily be made into juice and mixed with bananas to make a healthy drink full of proteins and vitamins which are needed for the body. This juice also prevents other diseases that are caused by Escherichia coli that usually infects the bladder. 4. Pear juice. Pear juice is very important to maintain a healthy life. This particular drink is a miraculous drink and can be mixed with some other fruit juices to make a powerful drink. This juice is packed with vitamin C and calcium and also contains high levels of magnesium, phosphorus, and this is needed by the body. 5. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is for those who wish to have a healthy heart. It is recommended by all the doctors, health physicians and health experts. This drink contains almost all types of antioxidants. This factor is very important since it helps in treating many kinds of cancer such as prostate cancer and so on. 6. Spinach juice. In this kind of juice, you can mix 2 apples, 2 kales, a handful parsley, 1 spinach can be processed in a juice and then stained and served. According to a Brazilian study, women who ate 3 apples or pears each day lost more weight while going on a diet than women who did not attempt to eat fruit while on a diet. Hence, one of the major benefits of using kale in this juice is that it gives a lot of nutrition and has very few calories per cup than any other vegetable. 7. Green juice. In this kind of juice, you can mix 2 apples, Granny Smith, 4 stalks of celery, a piece ginger, 1 cucumber, 6 kale leaves, 1 lemon rind. These ingredients can be processed in a juicer and then strained and served. According to a recent study, women who ate 3 apples or pears a day lost more weight while dieting than women who never ate any fruit at all. Lemon juice helps in weight loss when it is added to any juice. One of the main benefits of adding kale in your juice is that it provides loads of nutrition with very low calories per cup than other vegetables. 8. Tomato and carrot juice. Raw tomato juice when mixed with some other vegetables such as carrots, limes, pumpkin etc. are good for our health and general well-being. Tomato juice is excellent for health and should be made a part of our daily diet. Tomato juice also contains lots of vitamin C, vitamin K and other vitamins besides important minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus and iron. Carrots contain vitamin A which is good for our eyes. Carrots are a storehouse of vitamins, calcium and iron. Vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene which is present in carrots removes the weakness of our eyes and strain. It also contains B-complex which helps in digesting easily and removing acidity. 9. Orange and pomegranate juice. This juice when mixed contains a significant amount of vitamin C. This drink will also give you good amounts of B1, B9, phosphorus and potassium. Pomegranates have been scientifically known to help the body. They are rich in antioxidants which protect the body from heart diseases, premature aging, cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Thank for watching. If you think this video is shareable, please friends and you family and like and subscribe. Waitverse.